Hi and welcome back. We're having this question to solve for x. This basic principle of indices and logarithm. Okay, what can we do here? Since we have 10 to the x, 10 to the x, and 10 to the x, we can all say that we can add all of this. It's just like y. If we take 10 to the x is equals to y, you are going to see that we have 3y. Hence, therefore, we have what? 3 into 10 to the x is equals to 600. At this point, you can divide everywhere by this 3 man. Divide everywhere by 3 to have 10 to the x is equals to what? 600 divided by 3 from basic is 200. Okay, here now we are not going to divide by 10, no, it cannot work. Okay, you have 10 to x. What we can use here, we can use basic principle of logarithm by putting log here and log here. Hence, 10 to the x from log a to the n is equals to n log a. We are going to have what? X log 10 is equals to log, and we can say that 200 is equals to what? 100 times 2. That is 100 times 2. And we also know that log a times b is equals to log a plus log b. Okay, that principle of logarithm, hope you know about it, else check the video in the playlist here. Okay, hence we are going to have what here? You can just extrapolate to have x log 10 is equals to what? Log 100 plus log of 2. Okay, we then divide everywhere by this 10 to have what? All over 10. We know that a plus b all over c is equals to a all over c plus b all over c. Automatically, hence you are going to have what? All over log 10 all over log of 10. Okay, that is x. We also know that 10 log a, okay, 10 is equals to what? 100 is equals to 10 square. That will be equals to what? 2 log 10. Hence, we are going to have what? 2 log 10 all over log 10 plus. We also know here that log of a all over log of b, in case they have the same base, in this case we have base 10, we are going to have what? Log of a base b. Hence we are going to have what? Log of this man base 10. Okay, and here we divide and this one go, and hence we are going to have what? 2 plus log of 2 base 10. When it's base 10, we can just push it like this. Okay, when it's base 10, you don't have to put the base down there. Hence our x is equals to this. Subscribe to the channel, see this other video here. Oh, this one. Thanks.